Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to know more about this card and the digi-stamp I made, keep watching. Okay, so this is a card that I made for my sister-in-law's 40th, and I used the paper pack from Poundland for this paper, and then I had another birthday paper pack in my stash. I think it was an Echo Park one, and I used 2 of the strips from that and some black cardstock which I matted it onto. I basically did this panel because I wanted the shoes to look like they were resting on the ground. Yeah, because they just looked like they were floating, to be honest. And I did the little dots along the border. I made this fabulous at 40 on my computer. I just printed it out and then I die cut it with a balloon die from My Favourite Things. I think it's the Balloon Stacks Dynamics. And then I covered it in the Nouveau clear gloss one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's lovely and shiny, and I put some of the Cosmic Shimmer flakes into it so that at different angles it shimmers different colours, and I added some to like the background as well so it catches the light every now and then. And then I coloured in the shoes using Pro markers, and my idea was that basically it would be a rainbow layer cake, like birthday cake, as shoes. And I really like how it came out. Yeah. And then I tied this like string, it's the black Gutterman thread that's got all the different colours in the thread. It's hard to see on camera, but it is glittery. Oh, you can see it a little bit. I just thought that was fun. And I glued that down with Multimatte Medium, just where it crosses over there and at the end. And I glued it on this little piece here. Yeah. And then my trick for getting these shoes exactly the same was to draw one, and then I scanned it in on my computer and duplicated it, and then kind of like hid it behind so it looked like the identical pair of shoes, as if it would have been if they were made in real life. And yeah, and obviously I just coloured it in like a rainbow. I used some polychromos pencils, you can see it there, just to do the shadowing and to darken up various areas. It's not perfect colouring, but it's pretty good. And then the cherries are really cute. I like the cherries a lot. So yeah, that's the card I made for her. And then everyone in our family is signing the inside. I won't show you that because I don't want you to see their messages because they're probably personal, but I thought I would share it before my husband signs it and we seal up the envelope. And I'm not sure if I will keep this as a digi or not. Don't know if it's something that other people would want to use. Let me know what you think. Do you like it as a digi stamp? Or yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye! 50 awesome points to everybody who got this far in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I release new videos. And there are a couple of videos here for your delectation if you so desire.